When I die, where am I going? I promise you, I trust Allah and His mercy. And I trust that I'm going to a better place. I have no option, subhanallah. I tried a little bit here and there. I seek forgiveness from Allah on a daily basis. I know I'm not an angel. I've committed sin here, there. We are human beings. But we seek the forgiveness of Allah. We are relatively good people, insha'Allah. We hope that Allah will give us paradise. And we will die with that conviction, and we will not let shaitan tamper with us to make us think that you are far from the mercy of Allah. When we have heard Allah is Ghafoor, Rahim, Tawwab, Ghaffar, etc. Wadud, most loving, most kind, most forgiving, most compassionate. I know those qualities of Allah. Why should I doubt Allah? For what? If I go back to Allah, wallahi, I'm going to a better place than I am right now. I'm not shaking in my conviction at all. And this is what keeps a believer going. Otherwise, you become so depressed. You struggle with anxiety because you don't know what's going to come and you have no trust in Allah. That does not mean everyone who is struggling with anxiety has weak faith. No, but it does mean that faith would help you overcome anxiety. There's a difference between the two.